This brand is a part of Daikin Global and is available in the USA. The brand is sold for DIY installation through authorized internet retailers such as Alpine Home Air Products and HvacDirect.com. All of the units feature louvered metal panel construction with a powder-coated finish for durability and to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage. The GSX-N4 is a basic unit that features core sense diagnostics which will proactively shut the system down should it detect conditions that could damage the compressor. The unit has a factory-installed filter dryer which protects the refrigerant system from moisture. They have a compressor sound blanket for noise control and are backed by a pretty good guarantee, but it does not include unit replacement in case of compressor failure. The GSX-C7 is a premium unit with a 2-stage compressor and a 2-speed condenser fan for efficient operation. They have a high-density sound blanket for quiet operation as well as the ability to communicate with other parts of the HVAC system to maximize efficiency. They are backed by a very good warranty, especially on the compressor, which is the heart of any unit, but the unit replacement guarantee is for only 10 years. The GDX-C20 is an ultimate air conditioner with a 24 SEER efficiency rating. They have a variable speed condenser fan motor for added energy savings and quiet operation. They have a sound rating that is roughly equivalent to normal adult conversation and are backed by a very good warranty that includes lifetime unit replacement in the event of compressor failure. They have a field-selectable boost mode that increases compressor speed during unusually high loads to ensure comfort even in unusual conditions. They have proprietary control software that measures coil and ambient temperatures to adjust unit operation to maximize efficiency and comfort. They have diagnostic indicator lights, a 7-segment LED display, and fault code storage which enables quick and easy troubleshooting of the system. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.